Hey everyone, it's John here again from IGS. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I trust you're ready for another episode of the Efficiency and Reliability Podcast. Today, we'll delve into the case study of how IGS significantly helped improve the operational efficiency of a Saudi Arabian refinery by addressing a critical refractory failure. Our focus today centers on the innovative Hot-Tek Refractory repair services implemented while the unit was operating at maximum capacity. Let's start. This leading Saudi Arabian refinery, established in 1976, is a prominent base oil producer in the Middle East and operates as part of one of the largest oil companies globally. The refinery contacted IGS to address refractory failure and hotspots on their steam methane reformer. The hotspot temperatures were initially around 250 degrees Celsius and significantly increased to more than 600 degrees Celsius by the time the repair took place. Just a quick note. We frequently encounter invitations in situations where the refractory conditions are already in a very poor state. This is precisely why we produce podcasts and case studies. Our aim is to help other refineries identify potential issues in advance and take necessary actions before they worsen. Now, let's return to the case study. The IGS team promptly recognized that if the refractory failures had not been addressed in a timely manner, the refinery would have been forced to shut down the furnace for an emergency repair. The next planned turnaround was still at least 18 months away. This would have resulted in very expensive and substantial production losses. As always, IGS acted promptly. The primary objective of the team was to prevent further deterioration and ensure the safe operation of the unit until the next scheduled shutdown. IGS provided hot refractory repair services to address the refractory issues on the SMR. Over time, the repair scope had expanded from 5 hotspots on the radiant section and 2 hotspots on the transition duct to 16 hotspots on the radiant section and 8 hotspots on the transition duct. To summarize, the IGS Hot-Tek team addressed the refractory failures using Hot-Tek Refractory repair services, all while the unit was operating at full capacity. This solution effectively ensured the continuous safe operation and prevented any further deterioration. If you're interested in learning more about the IGS Surface Solutions package, please visit our website to see the range of online fired heater services we offer, including hot refractory repair, hot convection cleaning, hot tube descaling, hot vacuum service, and hot inspection service. Integrated global services with decades of experience, unparalleled customer support, and a commitment to excellence has solidified its position as a global leader in fired heater maintenance. In the last 10 years, we have successfully repaired over 40 refractories with no additional impact on production. The Saudi Arabian refinery serves as one of our best examples of a successful service. Thank you for joining us on this episode of the IGS podcast. We hope you found it both informative and engaging. If you'd like to stay updated on our latest episodes and continue exploring the topics we cover, be sure to subscribe to our social channels.